Hi everyone. Today's topic is coding and decoding. Before looking at the different types of questions and some of the codes that can be used with the help of examples, let us first understand what I mean by coding and decoding. When I say coding, a particular code or pattern is used to express a word in English language, to express it as a different word or in a different form. The coded word itself does not make any sense unless I know the code. Okay, let me repeat this point. The code word itself does not make any sense unless I know the code, which means unless I know, unless I know the pattern or code that has been followed. Decoding refers to the process of arriving at an equivalent English word from the code given. Okay. Now, in these questions, a particular code is given, and on the basis of this given code, we have to find out how other word, in English language, can be coded. He'll give one word, there is one particular code was given. Okay, so what is the logic behind that? The correct code for given, I'm sorry, maybe a technical problem. Yeah, the correct code for the given word has to be selected from the answer choices on the basis of the code given in the questions. Guys, if you want to good at coding and decoding, there is only one area you should be good at. Means you should good at place positions. Okay, you should good at place positions. Okay, what are the place values you should good at? We'll look every question one by one. Let's say in a certain code language, please write down the question. In a certain code language, if the word in a certain code language, if the word text, in a certain code language, if the word text is coded as text is coded as text is coded as text is coded as U Y F U. In a certain code language, text is coded as U Y F U. then what is the code for, then what is the code for, then what is the code for, okay, then what is the code for undo, then what is the code for undo? Guys, the question is very simple. If you know the place positions, the job is easy. Text t place position is what, 20, e place position is what, 5, x place position is what, 24, again t place position is what, 20. So U place position 21, Y place position 25, F place position 6, U place position again 21. So verify 20 and 21, plus 1 addition. 5 and 25 plus 20, 24 and 6, minus 20 and plus 1. So straightly, there is no particular logic. Yes or no? There is no particular logic. Then we can say this is the actual word. Okay, this is the actual word. I don't know the logic. I need to figure it out, the logic. Okay, and this is the code. This is the code was given. Okay, this is the code. Okay, this is a, look at here. He is doing what? Reversely. Okay, the letters in the given word are what? Reversed, and plus 1 is added. T plus 1. Okay, T plus 1, X plus 1, E plus 1, T plus 1. So what is the logic? What is the logic? The letters, okay, the letters, what is the logic here? The letters in the given word, okay, in the given word, in the letters in the given word, okay, are what happened? Are plus 1, okay, plus 1 and reversed, plus 1 and reversed, okay, plus 1 and reversed. So this is the logic behind this question. So you can write your answer as what, u place position is what, 21, so plus 1 will give you 22. Okay, reverse plus 1. N place position is what, 14. 14 plus 1 was 15. What is 15th letter? O. D place position. What is the D place position? 4. 4 plus 1, 5. What is the fifth letter? E. O place position. What is the O place position? 15. 15 plus 1 what? 16. What is the 16th letter? P. So then answer for this question is what? PEOV. Okay, PEOV. So if you want to solve these type of questions, the only way is you should know the place positions. Let's go to the next question. Okay, in a certain code language, in a certain code language, in a certain code language, okay, in a certain code language, text is coded as, text is coded as, in a certain code language, text is coded as okay, UGAX. Then what is the code for? Then what is the code for save? Then what is the code for save? Okay, then what is the code for save? Guys, the only logic here is what, this is a word, this is a word, okay, this is a word, this is a code, okay, this is a code, okay, this is a code, I'm sorry. So this is a code was given, GAAX, okay, GAAX, okay, sorry, UGAX, then what is the code for save? Look at here, 20 and 21, 20, 21, E, 5, G, 7, X is what? X place position 24, T place position 20, A place position 1, X place position is what? 24. Okay, look at here, plus 1, plus 2, So here he is subtracting, but look at here, plus 4. So plus 1 plus 2 here must be plus 3. If this is plus 3, 24 plus 3, what is there? 27. Yes or no? So you can say 27th letter is also what? A. So the point is this. So the point is this. So what is the logic here? What is the logic here? Plus 1 is, so plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is the logic. Okay, the letters in the word given are what? Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is added. So look at here. So plus 1. S plus 1, okay, 20, 20 T. A plus 2 plus 2, so C, okay. V plus 3, okay, V is 22 plus 3. 22 plus 3 is what? 25. So 25 is what, guys? Y. E is what? Fifth letter, okay, fifth letter. 5 plus 4 is what? 9. What is ninth letter? Ninth letter is what? I. Ninth letter is what? I. So logic, what is the code? What is the code here? Okay, what is the code? So save is coded as TCYA. Okay, so it is coded as what? TCYA. Yes, guys. Let's go to the next question. So please write down everyone. Please write down everyone. In a certain code language, in a certain code language, in a certain code language, okay, in a certain code language, mouse, okay, mouse, in a certain code language, is coded as mouse is coded as, okay, ESUMO. Mouse is coded as ESUMO. Okay, then what is the code for? Then what is the code for? Then what is the code for? Clear. Then what is the code for? Clear. Okay, it is also a 5-letter word. It is also a 5-letter word. Okay, so if you closely observe what happened here, yeah, so it was, what is the logic here? The letters in the given word are what? Reversed. Okay, what is the logic? The the letters the letters in the letters in the given word are are reversed. Word are reversed. Okay, the letters in the given word are reversed. Then clear is coded as R A E. Okay, R A E L C. So answer for this question is what? R A E L C. Okay, what is the code? What is the logic? The letters in the given word are what? Reversed. The letter in the given word are what? Reversed. Okay, next question. Next question. In a certain code language, in a certain code language, in a certain code language, help. Okay, in a certain code language, help is coded as, in a certain code language, help is coded as, help is coded as, I F M Q. Okay, help is coded as IFMQ. Then what is the code for? Then what is the code for edit? Then what is the code for edit? Okay, then what is the code for edit? Look at here, what happened? So this is the word, this is the code. So what is the logic? Okay, so this is a word. Okay, this is a word. This is what? Code. Okay, this is what? Code. Okay, then what is the logic? Look at here, H. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here also plus 1. E plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. Sixth letter is F. So plus 1 E plus 1. The next letter I plus 1 is going to be what? I plus 1 is going to be J. So plus 1 is going to be U. Okay, so what is the logic here? The logic here is this, this is the logic. Okay, this is the logic. So this is the word. Okay, this is the word. This is what? Code. This is what, guys? Code. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Let's move on to the next question. In a certain code language, if the word rectangle, in a certain code language, if the word rectangle is coded as T G E V C P I N G. Okay, in a certain code language, okay, rectangle is coded as TGEVCPING. Then what is the code for? Then what is the code for rhombus? Then what is the code for rhombus? Guys, you need to figure it out. What is the logic behind here? Look at here. This is 18th letter. This is 20th letter. 5th letter, 7th letter. 3rd letter, 5th letter. 7th letter. Sorry, 20th letter. Okay, 20th letter, 22nd letter. First letter, third letter, 16th letter, 14th letter, ninth letter, 7th letter, 14th letter, 12th letter, 7th letter, 5th letter. Guys, if you closely observe, what is the logic here? Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, okay, plus 2, plus 2, okay, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So what is the logic here? So logic here is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So here also plus 2. R is 18. 18 plus 2 is what? 20. 20th letter is what? 2. Plus 2. H plus 2. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 10. 10th letter is what? J. 15. 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 is what? 17. 17th letter is what? Q. M. 13th letter. 13 plus 2. 15. 15th letter is what? O. B plus 2. Okay. 4th letter. What is 4th letter? D. So U. 21. 21 plus 2 is what? 23. What is 23rd letter? W. S is what? 19. 19 plus 2 is what? 19 plus 2 will give you what? 21. What is 21th letter? U. So rhombus is coded as what? Rhombus is coded as what? TJQODW. Okay, TJQODW. Okay, so this is all about plus 2. The previous question is what? Plus 1. This question is what? Plus 2, and the previous question is what? Reversely added. And before that question is what? He is adding plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 kind of thing. Okay, kind of thing. There are different varieties of questions are there in this particular concept. Okay, in this particular concept. Let's say if the questions are like this, let's go to the next question. If please write down next question. If mango is equals to 20 and orange okay, orange is equals to 30, then what is the value of pineapple? Okay, then what is the value of pineapple? Okay, so your options are: first option 69, second option 44, third option 50, okay, fourth option none of this. Okay, fourth option none of this. If mango is equals to 20, orange is equals to 30, pineapple is equals to how much? Look at here, if we write the place position, n is 20, g is 7. Here itself, I am getting 20, so it's not sum of the digits. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if you closely look at here, so mango, so 5 letters, okay, into 4. 5 fours are what? 20. Orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fives are what? 30. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 into 8. 9 eights are what? 72. 9 eights are what? 72. So number of letters is multiplied with 1 less than the number of letters. So the logic here is n into n minus 1. N into n minus 1. So on the same note, pineapple, there are 9 letters. So 9 into n minus 1. So answer for this question is what? None of this. Answer for this question is what, guys? None of this. Let's go to the next question. If please write down everybody, if cat is equals to, if cat is equals to 23, 23, and rat, rat is equals to 39, 39, then what is the code for, bat? Then what is the code for bat? Okay, then what is the code for bat? Yeah, I'm sorry, this is not 23, this is 24. Okay, this is what? Cat is coded as 24. Okay, please pause the video and try to answer the question. I hope you done. Look at here, T place position is 20, A place position is 1, C place position is what? 3. So if you add all these 3, so you will get what? 24. R is 18, A is 1, T is what? 20. So 20, 38 plus 1, 39. B1, sorry, B2, A1, T20. So if you add all 3, you are going to get what, guys? 20, 33. 33. So logic here is what? What is the logic? Okay, the logic is what? Sum of the, okay, sum of the place values. Okay, sum of the place values. Okay, sum of the place values. Okay, we'll go to the next question. If, okay, mango, if mango is coded as, 30, 30, mango is coded as 30, orange, okay, orange is coded as 42, 42. Then what is the code for, pineapple? Then what is the code for pineapple? Okay, then what is the code for pineapple? So if you try to write down the place values, you are not going to get 30 here. Okay, maybe 15, 14. Yeah, maybe you are going to get here. Okay, orange, you will not get 42. If you add the place positions and try. Okay, so the logic here is, there are 5. So 5 square plus 5. Here, number of letters are 6. 6 square plus 6. So in the same note, there are 9 letters. So 9 square plus 9. Okay. So mango, 5 square plus 5, 25 plus 5, 25 plus 5, that will give you what? 30. 6 square, 36 plus 6 will give you what? 42. So on the same note, 9 square. 9 square is what? 9 square is what? 81. 81 plus 9, that will give you what? 90. So answer for this question is what, friends? 90. 90. Okay, 90. 90. Let's move on to the next question. Next question. Okay. If examination, if examination if examination is equals to 121, paper paper is equals to 25, then what is the value of then what is the value of then what is the value of not a result, then what is the value of okay, then what is the value of this particular thing? Look at here, what is the logic here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is 11 square? 121. Paper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 square is what? 25. On the same note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 square is what, guys? 64. 8 square is what? 64. 8 square is what? 64. Okay. 8 square is what? What is given? 64. Okay, we'll try to solve few more questions. Okay, we'll try to explore coding and decoding. Okay, before going to coding and decoding, you should know few facts. Okay, you should know few facts. Okay, A to Z, you know there are 26 alphabets. Okay, A to Z, there are 26 alphabets. Okay, first alphabet A and the last alphabet is what? Z. You know, the cycle will repeat. If someone asks you 27th alphabet, you are able to say that 27th alphabet is what? A. Someone asks you 30th alphabet, how you can say? Yes, there are 26. How much extra? 4. What is the fourth letter? D. Okay, someone asks you what is 53rd letter? Yeah, you know, don't hesitate. 26 plus 26 is what? 52 plus 1. What is the first letter? A. So you can say 53rd letter is what? A. Okay, like that you are able to say the alphabet place values. Okay, so generally the word come opposite letters. A opposite letter is what? Z. B opposite letter is what? Y. Okay, Y, A opposite letter is Z, B opposite letter is Y. Yeah, they are oppositely, you know, first one and the last one. Okay, A place value 1, Z place value 26. So 1 plus 26 will give you 27. Okay, 27. B place value 2, Y place value 25. 25 plus 2, that will give you 27. So opposite letters means sum of two alphabets is 27. Those alphabets are called opposite alphabets. Okay, those alphabets are called what? Opposite alphabets. I can say in terms of which sum of two letters is 27. Those letters are called opposite letters. Those letters are called what? Opposite letters. Next, corresponding letters. Okay, A to M is one set, N to Z is other set. A place position is 1, Z place position is what? 14, M place position is 13, Z place position is what? 26. Look at here, 1 and 14. What is the difference here? What is the difference you can write here? 13. 13 and 26. What is the difference? 13. B, and after in what is the letter? O. O place position is 15. B place position is what? 2. What is the difference again? 13. So which two letters difference is 13? Those letters are called corresponding letters. I am repeating, which two letters difference is 13? Those letters are called what? Corresponding letters. Example, okay. A, N are corresponding, okay. L, Y are corresponding, because L is 12th letter, Y is 25th letter. Difference is what? 13. Okay, difference is what? 13. Okay, are you getting my point? Difference is what? 13. So which sum of two, sorry, which difference? Sum means opposites. Two alphabets, sum is 27. Two letters, sum is 27. Those are what? Opposite letters. Okay, what do you mean by corresponding letters? Difference. Difference must be what? 13. Difference must be what? 13. We'll see few questions based on this particular logic. Yeah. Pause the video and try to solve this question. Try to solve this question. I hope you're done with your answer. Let me read the question. In a certain code language, if the word E, I, okay, Fy is coded as B, U, R, G, I, V, X. Then what is the code for adjacent? Look at here. Let me write the place values. 3, B place value is 2. E place value is 5. U place value is what? 21. R 18. R again 18. Okay, T20. G7. I9. I9. Okay, F6. V22. Y25. X is what? 24. So if I look at the straight manner, 3 plus 3 minus 1 to 5, you need to add 16, 18, 0. So T20, G7, you are not getting any straight logic. Look at here, 25 2. So how much you need to add? 23. Okay, so minus subtract 23. 6 and 21. How much again, you need to add something. But if you closely observe, 25 plus 2, 27. 6 plus 21, 27. 9 plus 18, 27. 20 plus 7, 27. 18 plus 9, 27. 5 plus 22, 27. Okay, 3 plus 24 also 27. So what is the logic here? What is the logic here? The letters in the given word are reversely coded. Okay, reversely coded, and they are what? Opposite letters. And they are what? Opposite letters. So whatever the last word you need to write, whatever the last letter you need to write that letter opposite. So Y25 opposite letter is what? B. On the same note, T place position is what? Adjacent. S or no? T place position JACENT. T place position 20. So what is the opposite letter? G. But look at the options. So first option is eliminate. Second, third option is eliminated because the first word should be G. Yes, G. N 14. 14. You need to add what? 13. What is 13th letter? M. E 5. So 5. How much I need to add to get 27? 22. What is 22nd letter? V. So GMV, GMX. So last option is eliminated. So followed by, you can write your answer. So GMV. So we'll write, being it's a first question. So C place value is what? 3. So how much I need to add? How much I need to add? 24x a y, sorry, a z j 10. 10 means what? Okay, 10. So if this is 10, you need to add 17 extra. What is 17? Q. D is what? 4. So you need to add 23. 23 is what? W. Again, a is what? 1. So you need to add what? Z. So G M V X Z Q W Z. So what is the logic? Reverse opposite letter. So reversely opposite letters are written. Okay, I hope everybody clear with this question. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. In a certain code language, okay, symphony is coded as, okay, in a certain code language. Please write down the question, everybody. In a certain code language, symphony, okay, is coded as H B N K S L M B. Okay, look at here. Simple. What you're going to do is write on the place positions: 19, 8, 25, 2, 13, 14. I hope some of you got your logic. 16, 11, 9, 8, 19, O 15, L 12, N 14, M 13, Y 25, B 2. Yeah, 90% of you got your logic. So look at here. 9 plus 8, 27, 25 plus 2, 27, 13 plus 2, 4. Okay, 13 plus 14, 27, 16 plus 11, 27. So what is the logic? What is the logic? So sum. Okay, the logic here is what? Opposite letters. Opposite letters. So Pickle. So pickle is coded as 16. So how much you need to add? 11. 11th letter is what? K. I. 9th letter. So you need to add 18. 18th letter is what? R. C. Third letter you need to add 24. 24 means what? X. K. 11. Level you need to add 16. P. L. 12. You need to add 15. 15th letter is what? O. E is what? 5. Fifth. So you need to add 22. What is 22? V. So K R X O V. K R X P O V. So what is the option? The last option. Okay. What is the logic? The logic behind this question is what? Yeah, the logic behind this question is what? Opposite letters. Opposite letters. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Okay, let's go to the next question. In a certain code language, okay, in a certain code language, yeah, mystery is coded as something. Okay, then what is the code for? What is the code for? Is asking. So please try to answer this question. Pause the video, try to answer it. For every question, I will not say all the time. For every question while listening to this video, pause the video and try to answer. Yeah. M Y S T E R Y. Mystery is coded as Z L F G R E L. Write down the place positions quickly. 13, 26, 12, 25, 19, 6, 20, This is what 7, 5, 18, or 18, 5, 25, 12, 25 and 12. So look at here. Generally, if you check the differences, look at here, you will get, here plus 13, here minus 13, and here minus 13, and here minus 13, and here plus 13, and here minus 13, and here minus 13. So it's not about plus or minus kind of stuff. It's all about the difference between two letters are what? 13. So when the difference between two letters is 13, those letters are called what? Corresponding letters. Those letters are called what? Corresponding letters. So okay, so the logic here is what? Corresponding letters. So P U R S U E. Okay, so P place position 16. So if I want the difference must be 13, this letter has to be 3. So first option eliminated straight away. U place position is what? 21. If you want the difference must be 13, so minus 13. Okay, minus 13 from that. 21 minus 13. You will get what? 8. Eighth letter is what? H. R place position is what? 18. Okay, minus 13. 18 minus 13. What you're going to get? Yeah, 18 minus 13. How much you are going to get? Okay, so what is the corresponding letter? E. So E place position is what? 5. So this is 19. S place value is what? 19. So minus 13. What you are going to get here? F. Okay, look at here. So F. So what is the answer? Second option. Okay, second option. No need of write all the stuff. Okay, H and R you are going to get. Look at 21, 5. So the difference, not the difference, corresponding letters. So E 18. So H is what? 8. F is what? 6. So look at, so the difference between those two letters you are going to get what? Yeah, corresponding letters. So what is the logic here? Corresponding letters. Let's move on to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Pause the video, try to answer the next question. Okay, try to answer the next question. I hope you're done with your answer. RRICADE is coded as what it was coding? A B C D E. Okay, E I R R. Guys, if you closely observe, this is an alphabetical order. This is an alphabetical order. But look at here, the same alphabets was present in your word. The word, it is written in a code like, in which way? In alphabetical order. So in the same note, you want what? Individual. Okay. IVIDUAL. Okay. Individual if you want. If you want this, okay, in the code language, so which so alphabetical order, say A, B is present, no, D is present, yes. How many D's? 2 D's. Okay, after D, E, no, F, no. So next will be I. How many I's will be present? 3 I's. Okay, after I, so I's are gone, D is gone, A is gone. So next is what? NVUL. So what is the first letter? L. So L will come into the picture. Next N will come into the picture. Next U will come into the picture. Next what will come? V will come. Okay. So ADD. So this is eliminated. This is eliminated. ADII. So LNUV. So what is the answer? Which option? First option. Why first option? Yes. So what is the logic behind this question? So logic behind this question is what? So alphabetical order. So the particular word is coded as what? In alphabetical order. Let's go to the next question. I hope clear. Let's go to the next question. in a certain code language, in a certain code language, okay, in a certain code language, yeah. So please try to solve this. EUUCLPRST. Please closely observe. EUU is fifth letter, U is 21st letter. So what you are getting? Yeah, the logic here is what? I hope you remember this AEIOU. AEIOU are what? Ovals. So the logic behind this question is what? Ovals. First, he written ovals in alphabetical order followed by consonants. So, in the same note, I want metropolis, METROPOLIS. Okay. So, first we need to figure it out. Ovals. A is present here? No. E is present? Yes. AE. I is present here? Yes. O is present. How many O's? Two O's. U is no. So verify the options. Okay, so this is I. Okay, so I double O. This is there. This is there. Yeah, this is there. No, so you can say directly your answer is what? The second option. EIOO. Okay, EIOO. LMPRST. Okay, so what is the logic? I am repeating. Ovals in alphabetical order followed by consonants in alphabetical order. Consonants in alphabetical order. So that's how we can end our question. So the answer for this question is what, guys? Okay, the second option. The second option. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, in a certain code language, if is equals to 4964, then is equals to how much? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you write the place values and if you add it, you are not going to get 49. New trick also you are not going to get, so marvelous. So what is the logic? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 4, 8, 64. So number of letters. So logic here is what? N square, N square. So N square. Marvelous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 square. 10 square is what, guys? 100. 10 square is what? 100. Okay, 10 square is what, guys? 100. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. In a certain code language, cabinet 70, beauty is equals to 60, production we need. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So number of letters are 7. So when there are 7 letters, yeah, so 7 letters is equals to what he has written? 70. When there are 6 letters, he wrote what? 60. So production 3, 6, 9, 10. So number of letters into 10, into 10. Here also into 10. So production into 10. So that will give you 100. Okay, that will give you what? 100. Okay, so into 10, into 10, into 10. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Nice question. Please try to solve it. Okay. Yeah. In a certain code language, if the word routine is coded as and fidelity is coded as this. Okay, then how will you code the following words in that language? So pre-line language. So you need to figure it out. Okay, you need to figure it out. What is the answer for this particular question? I mean, you need to figure it out the logic first. Once you're done with your logic, your job is done. So pause the video and try to solve for few minutes, so that you can get your answer. I hope you pause the video and you try it. So let me try. Routine. Routine is coded as JMPRRLJ. Well, if you write the second thing also, so whatever the logic here, the same logic will present. So let me write the place positions. R is 18th letter, 10th letter, 15th letter, 13th letter, 21st letter, okay, 16th letter, 20th letter, 18th letter, and this is 9th letter, 18th letter, and 14th letter. L is what? 12th letter, 5th letter, and the last one is what? 10th letter. So this is your word. Okay, this is your word, this is your code. Okay, so what is the logic? I don't know. So I need to figure it out, the logic here. Okay, guys, if you closely observe, so this is odd place value, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Look at here -8, here -2, straightly, here minus something, here -9, sorry, -2, -5, plus 9, here n 14 and 12, -2, 5 and 10, +5. So if you closely observe, the even positions are -2, here also -2, here also -2. So I got for even positions, all even positions, the logic is -2. But look at the odd positions. First one is -8. Next one, the next odd position is -5. Next it was increased to 18. Next also increased to 10. So this is not with the difference. Okay. But if you closely look at the last one, 5 and 10. So 5 and 10. So 5 2s are 10. 9 2s are 18. But 21 into 2, that will give you 42. By the way, what is 42nd letter? I don't know, but let me figure it out. So I can split 42 as 26 plus 16. So 26th letter is what is it? So plus 16. So what is 16th letter actually? P. Yes, that's where my logic will be there. So here also into 2. So you can represent this 16 with what? You can represent this 16 with what? 42. Okay, so guys, always remember, whenever you are not getting with below 26, think after 26. On the same note, R is 18th letter. 18 twos are, okay, 18 twos are how much, guys? 36. So how you can write 26 plus 10? What is 10th letter? J. Yes, it is already here. Yes or no? So J is what? So in place of 10, you can represent this as what? You can represent this as what? 36. 36. I think now you got your logic. So odd places is multiplied with 2, Odd places are multiplied with 2. Even places are subtracted by 2. Even places are subtracted by 2. So odd place values are, okay, odd place values are multiplied by 2. Even place values are subtracted by 2. So this is the logic for this particular question. Okay, this is the logic for this particular question. So odd into 2, even minus 2. Okay, odd into 2, even minus 2. Let's try to solve these questions. Okay, I hope, please pause the video and please try to write the logic. Okay, now please pause the video and try to write this particular logic. I hope done. Let's try to solve this question. Reveal, Preveal. So reveal. P place position 16. 16 twos are 32. Yes, 32. How you can split quickly? Yeah, answer options, you can quickly write it. 26 plus 6 only 32. So yeah, so this is coded as what? So this is coded as what? F. Okay, why F place position 32. Next R. So this is odd place value. Odd place value into 2. Even place value minus 2. So 18 minus 2 is what? 16. So P. E 5. Okay, 5. 5 twos are 10. 10th letter is what? J. V place position 22. Minus 2 is what? 20. 20th letter is what? T. A place value 1. So into 2. So that will give you B itself. I is what? 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 7th letter is what? G. 9. Sorry, L. 12. 12th letter is what? Sorry, 12 2 is what? 24. So 24. What is 24th letter? X. So T, P, J. So TP. So this is eliminated. TPJ. This is eliminated. TPJ, TBGX. So what is the answer? Third option is your answer. Third option is your answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. Language. LANGUAGE. Quickly. L 12. 12 twos are 24. 24 is what? X. A. Yeah, now this is where you need to understand. So 27. 27 minus 2, 25. 25 is what? Y. N is what? 14. Yes or no? 14 twos are 28. So B. G place position is what? 7. 7 minus 2 is what? 5. Okay, fifth letter is 7 minus 2 is what? 5. Yes or no? G. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is what? E. Okay, U. U is what? 21. Okay, 21 into 2. So 21 into 2 is what? 42. Okay, 21 into 2 is what? 42. Okay, so what is 42nd letter? How you can split? Yeah, so P. You can split it as what, guys? P. Okay, A. So again 27 minus 2 is what? Y. So G. G is 7, no? Yeah, so 7 to the 14. 14th letter is what? N. E. 5. So 5 minus 2 is what? C. So XYB, XYB, E. XYB, no. XYB, no. So PYNC, maybe this is E. Yeah. So if this is E, then this is correct. Okay, if that is not E, then you need to figure it out. Okay, so this is all about, these are the different models which we can solve in coding and decoding, because it's a small topic. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned coding and decoding. So guys, I want to tell you one thing. if you want to be in coding and decoding, you should know these points. Okay, you should know these points. So what are the points? Look at here. You should know place values. You should know what? Place values. Okay, point number one, place values. Point number two, okay, opposite letters. Okay, corresponding letters. What do you mean by opposite letters? Sum of the two letters is 27. Those letters are called opposite letters. Okay, and which two letters difference is 13? Those letters are called what? Corresponding letters. So these points are important. That those points, you need to keep in your mind. And the logics. So please try to check in a straightforward way first. Then if the logic is not getting properly, look at in a reverse order. Okay, and please know the place positions of alphabets. Okay, the moment you saw 19th letter is what? S. Okay, someone tell you, what is fourth letter? D. You are in your mouth, it should be there, like, whenever there is a letter I see, I need to write your place value. Trust me, if you good with your place values, then only the job is easy. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to calculate. You can practice these thing with your mind and try to explore it. Okay, and try to explore it. Otherwise, try to practice in your mind one time, so that you can remember all the alphabets. Once you remember all the alphabets and all the corresponding letters and opposite letters, the job is going to be very easy. And the coded letters, like, the maths is involved, a number of letters square, he'll give 5 letter word and he'll write code as 25. He'll give 20 letter word, he'll write code as 400. He'll give 9 letter word and he'll write code as what? 18. So these points, you should be keep in your mind. Okay, otherwise, we can do it, but it will take a lot of time to calculate it. Okay, and one more point is this. Okay, number of letters. So you will get logics here like n square logic, n square plus 1 logic, n square plus n logic, okay, n square minus n logic, okay, and sum of the letters logic. Okay, so if you want to do sum of the letters, what you should know? You should know the place positions. That is the only way you can answer your questions. Okay, so once you know the place positions, once you know the place positions, you can do 90% of your job. Okay, so this is all about coding and decoding. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks a lot for being in my session. Have a great day. Thank you, guys.